Hello guys, and welcome to Tactical Gear Review channel. Today we have the hammock that I really love. I'm using it for 2 years, maybe more, from Free Soldier, a company that sells tactical gear on AliExpress. So really nice hammock. I always take it with me for such area. So let's have a review about this hammock. So guys, this is our hammock. So I really don't care about how you tie, what is the correct way to tie a hammock. Well, actually, if you have more forest, more trees in an area, you can have these straps, and you see they are very long, so you can have a really nice lane between the trees, and you can still get your hammock on it. But if you have like one tree here or one here, like I have two here, I can put one strap over here and the second over there, and the hammock will be more wide. But that's okay for me too, because I really like it like this. So what do we have here? We have the Free Soldier logo, of course, and that's how the hammock looks. You have mesh here on the top. The bottom have a really nice hard fabric. Also you have straps on the sides. You have straps on the sides so you can tie to other tree so that the hammock won't fold. But I really use it like this. If I go somewhere, I can sit and have my fire here or cooking something. If I want to relax, I can lay down. Now, of course, your head have to be on the top, but only for camera. I'll be like this. I'm a big guy, 100 kilos, 1 meter 84 centimeters, and I can lay down, relax, sleep. Now this is really great. Wind around, nice sun, and that's how I lay down and relax. Now if I go to sleep, of course I want to go with my boots and so on, I can open with a zipper, two side zippers. Also you can open from the inside. On the head area you have here a pocket for a phone, wallet, and you have this one to tie the hammock, so if you have really strong wind it won't go around, as I told you, by these straps. So if I go to sleep, of course, again I have to lift up this area like this, so my blood will stay in the right place, and I will go inside. Now I also have self-inflated mat, which you want to insert here, because if you sleep all the night like this, like a banana, your back will be in pain. So it's better to have a mat inside. So of course you can go inside. Now usually I close like this, and then slowly I close down. Now you can tie some wire here. People do it from the inside, so it will be easier to close, but I end up coming up in the morning, the strap around my leg, I don't like it so much, so this is why I don't do it. So I go inside the hammock, no problem, sleep like this, and that's it. Now you can sleep like this. I sleep in a hat, so the mesh here doesn't affect me, doesn't bother me. But as I told you, you have the straps at the side, so you can actually stretch the hammock. And also, if you don't like your mesh to be on your face, you have straps over here, 3 straps that you can stretch, and the mesh won't touch your face. Usually I take in some, I need a thicker stick, but I make like this. I go here inside, one, 2, and 3. Of course you need a thicker one, and I tie it to the stick, and it's more stable. So, you know, in a live situation, like in the promotion, you always have the straps straight, but I'm showing the real thing, how I'm using it. So I like, at the first I was stretching all of the hammock, but then when you need to relax for 1 hour 30 minutes, you don't have time for that, so you just like have some knot here, there, and you relax, sit or lay down. And when you sleep, yes, I actually do stretch one strap, maybe sometimes I getting this in the middle, stretching it up, like this. Let's do it on the camera so you can see a real review. So like I'm having the strap in the middle, tying it up, that's it, and then I tie to the 3 like this, and again I'm not using any US Marine Corps or very hard knots, because it doesn't really matter, because I'm not in a war, I'm not on mission, I don't have to pull fast, I'm in civilian style life now. So as you can see, it's here, and now once I get inside, this is how I do it when I go for camping, and you know, you don't have too much time. And now when I get inside, only one strap is already doesn't touching my head mesh, and I can sleep. Very cool, very nice. Also, I really like that they have here the fabric here, not mesh, because when the sun in the morning it hits your face, it's not so convenient. So I get up and this fabric covers my head, my face. So that's all about this hammock. Using it really often, and I do recommend you this one. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please push the like button, comment below and subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you want more content, so please support me in Patreon.